Visible Man, Art and Black Male Subjectivity, it's among the most ambitious, complex, and we think impactful exhibitions that we've presented in the School of Art galleries.
The exhibit is a wonderful celebration of Black artists. It's an opportunity to really look at how Black men look at themselves. And I think there are things to be learned from this show and things to be enjoyed in this show and maybe even to be a little challenging.
In 2017, we were approached by two alumni of BGSU, Edward Sewell and Colonel John Moore, with the idea of doing an exhibition of School of Art Black alumni. Their vision was to challenge, really, Bowling Green State University and the School of Art to tell a more inclusive story about its alums. With their leadership, with their support, we put together a modest but inspiring exhibition entitled So Much More. From that exhibition grew the seeds for Visible Man. Visible Man was curated by Dr. Michael Harris, a BGSU alum. Dr. Harris was one of the artists in the So Much More exhibition, is now exhibiting in Visible Man.
There's 52 pieces by 32 artists, and it's a wonderful variety of work with many themes and lots of variety in terms of media. Everything
from drawings, paintings, sculpture, installation, video installation, prints, photographs. There's also a wonderful range of experiences in the exhibition. We have artists who've been on the scene for quite a while. We have mid-career artists, and we have emerging artists.
We have people like Wadsworth Jarrell or James Phillips, who were in the original Afro-Cobra movement in the 60s and 70s and became very well known and who are elders now. But we also have mid-career artists like Ernest Shaw, whose portrait of James Baldwin is in the show and is a marvelous piece. This exhibition was organized with different themes. And one of the main themes was a barbershop theme. That was a particular desire of the curators, and he selected certain pieces specifically for that. Fahamu Paku's piece, Watch the Throne, is this amazing barbershop chair he has painted and recovered, and behind it are 3 videos, and the videos portray young men getting their hair cut, showing the importance that the barbershop has in the Black community and the Black male community in particular.
Perhaps the biggest name artist in the exhibition is Dawood Bey, photographer. He made a series of photographs depicting Black barbers and barbershops.
There's other themes, though, that came together once we got the work here and looked at it. There's a spiritual theme that I found that was really pervasive. And we have a Caribbean section. There are some political pieces that address inequities or issues both in the art world but also in the natural world. Ray Bayano celebrates a slave revolt in Panama in the 1500s. The artist is Arturo Lindsay, and it consists of a painting and a shrine because Bayano is still very respected, and Ray means king. There are a lot of portraits also where the artists, they're almost confrontational. The portraits of young men and people who are looking right at you and making you think, what is this person thinking? Once somebody has walked through this exhibit, I hope they feel exhilarated, excited, impressed, and they think about some of these artists who've maybe been neglected and how much they have earned our respect.
With So Much More, and with the Visible Man exhibition, and even subsequent exhibitions that we're in the early stages of planning, it's our intention to send a signal to our various audiences to let everyone know that at BGSU we're very serious about expanding the scope and the range and the ambition of our exhibition programming. We want to be a participant in national conversations around equity, diversity, and inclusion.
We would love to have this show travel and we're hoping that it will go to several other venues in the United States and be seen by lots more people. I think this is a wonderful grouping of artwork that ranges in ideas and media and an amazing amount of skill and talent that I think there's something here for everybody to fall in love with.